You love your mechanical keyboard when you're at home gaming or typing, but when you hit the road, that thing is just too big to carry. Welcome to the CK620 from Cooler Master. This is one of the first keyboards to use Cherry's low-profile red switches, which are about 35% thinner than a regular switch. That means it's much more compact. In addition, and this is what's really important, because it's more compact, they can fit a battery in there, and they're going to come out with a version that is Bluetooth and wired. So when you hit the road, take this really small, compact keyboard, shove it in your bag. It could practically fit in a purse, and you've got a gaming keyboard, a mechanical keyboard you can use for gaming or typing right in your bag. So there's a couple other keyboards here from Cooler Master that are awesome also. The CK620 is the smallest one. Then there's the CK630, which is a little bit bigger, but still 10 keyless. Then there's the CK640, which is also low profile, but gives you your NUMPAD. Finally, over here we have the MK850, which is a completely different kind of keyboard, as it's got full-size cherry red switches. But what's really neat about it is it uses a new technology called NUMPAD, which takes a sensor that can tell how far you've depressed the key. The further you've depressed the key, the more it registers. So if you're running in a game, if you're scrolling, whatever, the amount you press it is going to matter. It's pressure sensitive. So that's just a quick look at Cooler Master's new keyboards, especially the low-profile CK620 here at Computex 2018. I'm Avram Pelch for Tom's Hardware, Tom's Guide, and Laptop Mag.